Three Congress MLAs in Odisha have been accused of cross-voting in the Rajya Sabha elections held on Monday. Odisha Pradesh Congress Committee President Bhaktacharan Das alleged that three-party legislators Ramesh Jena, Sophia Firdaus and Dasarathi Gawango were involved in cross-voting during the polls. According to reports, Bhaktacharan Das has already informed the All India Congress Committee about the incident through a telephone call. Reacting strongly to the development, Das said he had not expected Ramesh Jena to engage in cross-voting. He further stated that the three MLAs will no longer be allowed to sit with the Congress party in the Odisha Assembly. The development has triggered political reactions in the state as the Congress leadership looks into the matter.
रमेश जेना भी हाँ बोलते आम घर सामने आसी कथबार्ता है कि आपण मान स्टेटमेंट देते तो सी भी जिते लोक कहते सर रमेश जेना ए भूल कर भावी नी सी जो कांग्रेस पार्टी जमीदारी थिला गंजाम जिले में ताकू से सबुदिन खत्म कर ये जो मैंने आमर तीन जन बाहरी जाटा यहाँ कल्पनार बाहर था।